I'm up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. I got a 1968 Camaro with, I believe it was a 327. It's for sale up here. You can check it out at weMainbsite.com. I got 100 detailed pictures on there. You can check that out and get pictures of every single car on this lot and have all the inventory on the lot. But what I like to do here is I'm gonna walk around, point out any kind of flaws that I can find on this car. That way when you get here, you know exactly what you're coming to get. I usually start on the lower half. The front bumper on this looks nice. It's like it's been replaced in the last few years at least. See a little paint blemish on the corner there. Somebody's touched up. Nice set of tires. The paint's actually in pretty good shape. A lot of this trim's been replaced. New mirrors. See some bubbling popping up down on the bottom of the door here. New door handles. Biggest issue I've seen, just a couple little bubbles popping up around the back. There's one here as well. There's some cracking in the paint going on back here. Underneath of this car is nice and solid. You can also check that out at weMainbsite.com. Like I said, I got 100 detailed pictures. Looks like that's pulled loose from the headliner. There's also some slight bubbles in here and a crack. They painted this back portion. The bumper on the back looks nice and new as well. Very clean. On this side of the car, you can see some bubbles popping up under those stripes. Also right here, there's a crack here, and around this back window. Trying to point all this out. There's a lot of little dimples right in here. As you work your way up though, it clears up. It's not up here, it's just on the lower half in this section. We'll definitely let you know about all that. There's actually a crack in the paint right here as well. Small little bubble right there on the driver door as well. Go ahead and pop this hood. I said I believe it's a small block 327. The AC compressor does kick on, but it's not cold in the car. It's all there. Could be minor to get it fixed. We don't work on a lot of cars here. We just buy and sell. We try to buy cars ready to go. This one here's got front disc brakes, MSD ignition. All the AC stuff's there, but not blowing. Power steering. We're gonna work our way to the trunk, so I don't forget that. It's like the seal in the trunk's looking pretty good. It's not all torn up. I'm not seeing a lot of water in here when we washed it earlier. I'm gonna pull this up. You can see where some rust was getting in here and somebody tried to silicone it. They used something that was not us. Like I said, we try not to work on them too much. You can see where some surface rust was under there and they painted it. We're not here to hide nothing. We're here to point it all out so you know what you're coming to get. The lid itself looks pretty good. They did pretty good on the paint job on the inside. Nice and reflective. Even got the little bumpers on it. See a little bit of surface rust coming through on the cracks. It's normal. Especially for a 68 model car. I'll check out the door panels. Look like a little bit of wear. Maybe just some dirt right there on the door handle. Seat's in good condition. Looks like it's a little stretch. Somebody's been sitting in it, obviously. But yeah, I'm guessing that's what happened. That headliner, the worst part's right there in the middle where that piece split. Of course, these are never tucked in perfect, but the headliner itself is actually great. It's not hanging or anything. Aftermarket steering wheel. Looks like aftermarket set of gauges under the radio. Looks like the dash is in great condition. It's not all tore up. I haven't started it since earlier this morning. I've been trying to avoid the heat today. It's about 100 again in Nashville. Let's see, there we go. Last time I started this car was about 10:30 this morning. It is 2:33. Started right up, didn't have to give it gas. The gas gauge does work on this one. We'll check the temp gauge as it comes up. I've also got test drive videos that we're getting ready to do, so you'll be looking for that. That way you can see this thing go down the road. Look at that. The horn works. I can't tell if the AC's working or not right now. It actually feels just really good. I hope it is, because it'll be good for the test drive. I know the compressor was on earlier. I hear the radio. It's not playing anything, but I can hear it. I do smell racing fuel, so that's what they're running in this car. Smells super good out here. Let me go turn the compressor on. I guess I was just feeling a lot of wind. It just felt good. All right. Yeah, that's right. I think that's your AC. It's supposed to be, at least. Man, AC. We'll go with that one. Sounded like the idle changed. Yep, there it goes. It's not blowing cold though, but it did just kick on. So it is engaging. It's not cold. All right, guys, I appreciate y'all watching. If you have any other questions, give us a call, 615-822-4444. We'll be happy to help you out. I'm up here with my whole family. Check us out at maplemotors.com. You can see 100 detailed pictures of every single car and all of our inventory. I appreciate y'all watching. I hope to hear from you, and thanks again, guys.